Hello and welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 for free. But before we proceed, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos. Now, without further ado, let's head on to the tutorial. So, how to download and install Office 365 for free? First, you need your Windows to be updated. Once updated, open your Microsoft Store. Go to your Windows Start and then search for Microsoft Store, or if it's in your Start menu, just click Microsoft Store. Now, in your Microsoft Store, search for Office 365. Now you will see all of these apps, but search for the Microsoft 365 that is free. So this one is the free version. Click it and then click Get. In my end, I already installed this one, and in your case, just wait for the app to install. Once done, click Open. And here you go. You now have your Microsoft Office 365. You can now start using the apps, the Microsoft Word, the Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and all the other apps here like Outlook, Teams, and OneNote. And when you go to your home, you can directly choose to make a document, a presentation, a workbook, or a form, a quiz, or a list. Just choose what you prefer. And that's it. You can now start using your Microsoft Office 365 for free. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.